Sabrina, and this is my mom, Timby, and we are the Tasty Tins. Today we're making carrot juice, my favorite.
And what do we use?
And we use 4 carrots, 2 apples, cut in half, and 1 lemon. So we already washed our fruits and vegetables, and now we're gonna add them into our blender,
Juicer.
to our juicer, and we are going to, and it's gonna blast into the shooter and it's gonna fill up. So if we put this in
Ready?
here,
Ready to get started?
yeah,
Okay.
let's go. The 4.
Okay, and there you have carrot apple juice. And now you just mix.
Can I mix it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
And pour into a jar when you're done.
Yep. And then you can have a nice drink while you're in the sun, at the cold, or in spring, or any kind of weather. Or you can drink it any day.
Okay.
And remember, we're called the Tasty Tins.
And thank you for watching. And check back in with us next week.
Bye bye.
Bye.